So my name is Mike Duckworth. I am the Vice President of Sales here at Nexter Systems. So Nexter has a whole range of products here at the show, and we're extremely pleased, despite the conditions, to make the effort really to attend and to support our partners here in the UAE. Essentially, we brought all of the products that figure very much in this marketplace, and I'd be very pleased to present each of those in turn to you over the coming minutes. Behind me, I think I'll start with the product the most emblematic of Nexter, and emblematic in the sense that it really underlines the partnership that has existed for more than 20 years with the United Emirates, and that is of course the Leclerc main battle tank. Number one are the Vitronics. Central to the Scorpion program over in France is very much the modernization of the combat system. So there's certainly going to be a protection system to make, let's say, the main battle tank more robust in the more complex asymmetric environments, the urban environment. So that is a theme. We're also adding to it capacity in terms of lethality, and particularly I can point to here the programmable ammunition, which will be added to the ammunition suite of Leclerc. So the final thing, and sort of very much linked to this connectivity, this new combat system, you will notice the illustration of a drone flying ahead. The particular application of this is really to augment significantly the awareness that the crew have by carrying sensors above the tank. We're able to extend the field of view for the crew, and that enables us really to increase the effectivity of the tank. We can move beyond the horizon. We can operate more effectively in more complex environments where direct lines of sight are more challenged. We can, with the smart ammunition, imagine other forms of engagement. So behind me we have the Caesar, and the Caesar is very much the vedette of Nexter. It represents one of our most important export successes, and we're obviously hugely proud to support many armies around the world. Here I ought to also make reference to the fact that this particular Caesar is already here, stationed out in the Emirates, and it is with the 5e Régiment de Cuirassiers. Absolutely the success that Caesar has around the world, in all theatres, whether they be in Asia, out here in the desert. This particular Caesar is particularly been equipped and adapted to support the environment that we have here in the Middle East, and of course the deployments of Caesar regularly in the more European theatres. Another part of the Nexter business is very much ammunition. So ammunition is an important element of our business. It is almost easier to say what we don't manufacture. We have an offer right across the standard NATO class of ammunition, from 20mm up to 155, in land, in air, in sea. So in front of us there is the Katana. This is an ammunition which is in development. It's an artillery round, 155. The important thing being it is terminally guided. So I won't go into the various technologies associated with the service, with the direction system at the moment, but this is an exciting development that Nexter is pushing forward with at this moment in time. So our medium caliber turret range really starts with the P20. This features the 20mm cannon, which saw its first debut on air platforms. Here it is configured as a light pintle mount, and particularly of interest to special forces around the world. So we've declined this configuration in a number of international customers. The big advantage being where traditionally that mission may be equipped with a 12.7, here at 20mm for the same integration burden and weight. The 20mm system provides a significant overmatch in terms of range and effectiveness of the ammunition. As I've explained, the weapon systems are a key capability of Nexter, and along with our ammunition business. And here we have a range of 3 medium caliber weapons which are currently in service, currently in manufacture: 20mm, 25mm and 30mm. So the 30mm is actually the cannon that equips the Tiger attack helicopter. The 25mm equips the French VBCI armoured fighting vehicle. We have also integrated that into our ARX 25 remote turret, and that has been selected by a number of customers, and we're currently in production. And the 20mm has service in a multitude of armies around the world, but certainly tri-service. So it is on air platforms, it is on naval platforms, and of course land platforms.